Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. We begin this evening with a Primetime News follow-up. The Hanover police say they're treating with seriousness the allegations of sexual molestation of a 15-year-old girl by a male employee of the Noel Holmes Hospital in Hanover. The man who was nabbed yesterday remains in police custody. A chilling excerpt read by a voice actor from a teen who alleges she was fondled by a male nurse's assistant at the Noel Holmes Hospital in Hanover.
I want this to never happen to another patient at the Lucy Hospital again. The only thing that keeps pushing me is the fact that I want to be the last. I want this to end. Let me be the last.
The 15-year-old, who days ago was in hospital after a suicide attempt, has found renewed purpose. With the consent of her mother, she recounted being molested 5 years ago by an adult, but kept it to herself because she did not know how her parents would react. That matter is now the subject of a police investigation. Then came last Wednesday's ordeal. Here's our voice actor once again.
I was sleeping when I felt the person rubbing my private parts. When I felt this, I shifted and I heard the person saying, "Calm down." When I realized it was a male voice, I had a panic attack.
The male hospital employee in question is now in police custody. He's expected to be questioned by investigators in the coming days. The teen's mother, who we will not identify, says she's satisfied with the quick response of the police as well as the response of the officials from the Western Regional Health Authority, which has launched an internal investigation into the matter. Her daughter is now getting treatment at another medical facility.
I'm seeking for justice, and I told her, I said, I love you, my baby, and I'm standing with you, and I'm going to seek justice for you. You will get justice. You shall get justice, and you must get justice. So in the future, she's going into the future now. It doesn't keep a scar in her heart, that knowing that her mom knows about the situation, which never get to be corrected.
She tells us that her child had big dreams.
She wants to become a mental therapist, but I'm not quite sure she's going to choose this role after this experience.
But it appears, with the 15-year-old's renewed strength and purpose, her dream will manifest.